Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 11 and today I will show you how you can change always on display theme. So at the first we have to simply go for the settings, then find always on display in the lock screen, go for the always on display, of course it has to be activated, and as you can see here we can find the few themes: signature, analog, kaleidoscope, digital, select background. I think that I'm going to set up this one. Here we can change the text color. We can activate or deactivate the battery and notifications. And when you decide which one to get, you have to tap on the apply. And after a few moments, just take a look here. It will be just looks like that. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.